Hello. Wow, they're so elegant. Oh, and duck in there too. There's the duck. So pretty. Hi guys. I'm at the hopes. Oh, then let's walk the peacocks.
Yeah.
Then let's walk the peacocks. I'm trying to vlog for you guys. You go closer?
The peacocks? No.
Can we?
It's up to you.
I'm gonna just stay far. Could I? I'm just a jump boat.
See that one, Pandy?
Exactly. I don't want to live life. Lift up your thingy. Lift it up. Whoa, that one pretty too, you know? Nice blue. Wow. So gorgeous. We have a little play area. I can go sit and swing. Hmm?
Yeah.
Oh, y'all can't swing.
You want to swing?
No, maybe later.
Oh, come back.
Yeah. So pretty. I like all quiet. Oh my god. Parrots. Come and go close to him.
Scarlet macaw. Go there. Yeah, so what's that?
Watch Dora.
Yeah, what's good here?
Scarlet macaw.
Women boy.
Are this name Scarlet macaw?
No.
No, why them have that?
Beautiful.
Oh, because I'm like, why them look like some turkey? Hello. Do you guys talk? Do you talk? Hello, pretty. Hello, pretty. Pretty. Do you talk? The blue and gold macaw has a strong hooked beak and... Hello? Okay, you don't talk. What?
This one to them. You say them talk?
I'm not saying about talk. Oh god. They look like they want to get out. I'm a bite.
Pictures of your video.
I can take pictures as well for real enough.
Yeah.
I like the red one. Oh my gosh, guys. Monkeys. Monkey. Hello!
I'm hungry.
They're so cute. Wait, oh my god. Hello, cutie. They're smart, you know.
These guys are really pretty.
Mr. Cutie.
I'm going to take the next one.
Hello. Hello. I wish I could have gotten closer. You look like a baby. Hello. So I want to cuddle it. Wonder if they're dangerous. I always remember what happened to Michael Jackson. Hello. To the far.
So go mango seed money as well.
Oh, cute. Guys, I see ostriches. They're huge. Wow, them huge. Why them body peel out? Yeah, I don't want to get too close. Beware falling mangoes, okay? Hello. You know, I think the meat's probably nice. Yeah, I don't have any food.
Everything though.
Yeah.
Go on YouTube if you're aware, so.
The meat's probably nice for real though. A big bird, it's not.
You might tell me something.
Honestly, me need for real. What if I eat this tree? But me don't want him bite me.
Don't you must stick out in there. She said.
We'll always stick our necks for
No,
you.
no, man. A bad man.
Aww.
Can you take a picture of him?
Oh, he's so cutie. I call every animal cute, but I think he's indicating that he wants to eat. Let me try this. I think this is an hibiscus leaf. Don't hurt me. You eat hibiscus? Oh God, never scared him. I come for real.
The mother.
Oh my God.
Nigga, if him bite off the I just, you know, like that.
He's scared.
You know, no teeth.
You're right, but he still can bite.
No meat.
Don't hurt me, Anna. Come on. Oh, scared. Oh, it fell. You don't like it?
See him not bite him, I bite the
You don't
thing.
like it?
Him not eat, leaf now.
Alright, I'm going to go. Yeah, no. You said no.
Come get that duck there. Duck. No, not right now.
Play to the monkey.
Not right now.
I already not as low. That not sound too bad. Such a cutie. Yes, you are such a cutie. Honestly, they do the labeling so wrong. You'll see peafowl like right there, Indian peafowl, and then you go and it says some. What the hell?
You find the people.
Oh my God! What the hell?
If people find you, I got a monkey.
American crocodile.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, I think they said the crocodile is the one that when their mouth closed, you can see them teeth. See, you can see them teeth. But the, what's the next thing called?
Alligator.
Alligator, you can't. Them just look like some big fat lizard.
The sign
Is
just
it the
said
next
crocodile.
Me know, but them look like, me know a crocodile, they look like lizard. Oh, a turtle. Look at it, there's so many of them.
What's some of that food? What am I?
Oh, look like probably a restaurant there or so. Hello, turtle wordles. Wow, those are a lot of turtles. This one is huge. Oh my gosh. He's just there chilling, sleeping. Why am I have that muscle on it? I'm not blind. Interesting. This feels like a cool nature trail. I'm loving it. I'm kind of tired though. Oh my God. Oh, I want a picture right here, please. It's so pretty, yeah. Another one. So pretty. Where to? We're looking for zebras and the lion.
This one.
Zebras and the lion. What is that white thingy? Oh, other peacocks. Oh my God, this is a lot of walking. Perfect. Isn't that like a bowl? Like one size. Alright. Oh, or pour sprinkler ketchup. So many birds. They're the kangaroos, but they're just sitting down, so it's nothing special. Kangaroo! They're not even turn around. Alright, we can go snake, then we'll go back and try to find the lion.
Yeah.
And the zebra. Squirrel monkey. This way to snake left.
See, it's a must be. Yeah, the after to leave. We're gonna put down.
Oh, more monkeys. More monkeys. Hello. Hello there. What?
National brother.
You're a brother.
National brother. Yeah,
Hello.
the lucky in for them.
Hello. You're such...
My
Oh,
camera.
oh my god. Wow, that's crazy.
Thing jump over.
That's crazy. I think
Thing jump over.
it probably just like me. It won't play.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Ready?
Yeah. Aww, full energy. Let's go.
I got snakes.
Where? Snake, yeah. Snake. This way. This way. Oh, okay. We kind of, what you call that something? Camouflage? Blending. Yeah, I'm not seeing. Ball python. 30 to 50 years. Really? Not a long way. Oh, wow.
Okay.
Yeah. Yellow snake. There they are, hiding under that little thingy. So I can only see from the tail. Is that one or two? I feel like I one in a seem head up there, so.
I wonder.
Yeah. Next. Burmese python. Oh, I'm opening mouth. Oh god. Wow. Is he yawning or? Hello. This one looks dangerous. Wow. Look how big it is. And that lion. Remember lion? That lizard just perched there. They don't eat lizard. See lizard. Wow, that's huge. Burmese python. Hello.
Move on to this one.
Jamaican boy. Oh, he's sleeping.
Yellow snake.
He's sleeping. Okay. There's none. Probably let loose. Like, I'm afraid when I look and I don't see anything in the cage. That's a different cage. Oh, is that a turtle? Oh, it's a tortoise. Look how slowly they move. The little teeny legs. The little teeny leg. Oh. There's one right there. What's making that noise? Oh, there is.
Why is my Jamaican boy? You go ahead and got home and look at that.
They're all sleeping.
Rainbow boy,
None in this one. Rainbow boy. No? He probably died. R.I.P.
Jamaican boy. I'll probably snake up there. Tree ball green or something.
Emerald tree ball. I don't see him.
No, I'm not sure.
He's supposed to be green. See him there.
Is he?
Yeah, I see him there. Roll up over there, so. Wonder if that's something they want to see them roll up somewhere. See him there. Wow, now we can go see. What's making that hard noise? Oh, what's that? A little pony? So somebody feeding the pony.
But it's not quick.
Hello. Okay guys, we're going back to look for the lion and the zebras. Alright, lion. 18. All the way up there, so we have to go turn, so.
No, it's the sign of probably this take there. Oh no, I'm hungry, but
We'll just pass it there.
right there.
We earn our stripes every day. So we're close today. We're close. Oh, he's going away. It's just one. I'm starving and okay, I'm a bit tired as well. But yeah, I can't wait to go and get something to eat because all this walking, all I'm thinking about right now is food. Okay, they say a lioness. Oh, lioness, but I'm not seeing a lioness or whatever. Misleading sign. It's lioness, but there's they're all the way at the back. So I guess the lioness is absent. Oh, so the lioness, they're asleep. Oh, she all the way
Inside there?
inside the cagey thing.
So one over there.
Maybe she's pregnant. Why don't we lock her up so far? This one is the lion.
What's the lion stable?
They're just always sleeping. Oh god, they look so bored. I have to give them something for hunt. Like train a zebra in there. This not fun. I want to see him face. So guys, that was no fun. The lion is just sleeping and he has his back turned, so yeah. That was no fun. Okay, what are these things? Let me show you guys.
Miniature horses.
Despite their size, they do as much as a full-size horse or pony. They can pull carts, be backyard pets. They can be pets, participate in competitions, or even be therapy horses for the disabled. Okay. They actually look like pony. They're so cute. They're so cute. They're so teeny weeny. Teeny weeny. Really? You know, people actually eat these.
Oh, someone put them.
Yeah, someone. This one's really close. Hello. You're so bold. He's huge. Wow. He's so huge. Oh my god. So yeah, we're done exploring. We've seen almost everything. I think we're just going to get something to eat. Probably go to the garden. That's if my feet can manage it. So yeah.